Nah, I ain't gonna hold y'all. She look a little appreciative on this picture right here, though. Like, she hugging the shit out of that bus. She like, nah, she wanted the bus. You could tell she wanted the bus. Yes, she wanted that yellow bus. Oh, yes. Choo-choo. I mean, you know, she wanted the bus. Choo-choo. That's what she wanted it for her birthday. And that's what mothers do. Mothers make it work. You said what, baby? Here you go. That's what I'm talking about. That's what the fuck she wanted it. But I'm going to tell you what happened, though. She ran to this bus and hugged it. And then put her ear to it and said, are they there? Her friends. I look crazy right now, son. I made this video mad times, Kyle. For you and Trav. For you guys. You guys. That's how I gotta talk to y'all. Cause on my mother, this is why I hate. Hate is a strong word. I'm growing. This is why I don't like. See, it starts from home. Parents. You can tell Travis was going to school with a lunchbox every day. And I'm not getting nobody fucking yum. But nobody thought about people. The fucking kids. You know them kids wanted to be on the motherfucking bus. 2. Everybody's watching, where's the cartoons on YouTube? Baby Shark do that one. Wow Wow Wubbzy, that's the one come on no more. What Paw Patrol? Oh my god. You know what the fuck these kids is into. Clouds, yellow school buses, and tutu trains. You wildin'. And you ain't invite one little minion with her? No. This killed me. Look at the fucking seats, B. I swear to my mother, look at the kid, B. And they took a picture and then look at her posture. She looks sad. I'm trying to be professional and I'm really fucking mad, B. She's looking down the whole hallway. Right around. Nah, cause this is look at the fucking bus, dude. Nah, I could have came there. I would have had fun. You know these kids would have been wilding on the bus. Cotton candies. Yo.